Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and in this CoachVantage tutorial, let's take a closer look at contracts on an individual contact record page. From your dashboard, simply navigate to Contacts on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, select a contact whose contracts you would like to view. In this case, I will select Anna. You can view all contract documents for a specific client on an individual contact record page, such as Anna's, here by clicking on Contracts. Once you click the Contracts tab, you will see the following: the search bar, where you can type in the name of the contract document you're looking for, and the Send Contract button, where you can easily send a contract to a client. When you click this button, you will be taken to the Send Contract page. Here, you will have the option to either upload a document locally from your computer or from the resource library in CoachVantage. Or, alternatively, you can choose from a template if you have created a template before. It's important to note that only PDF-type documents can be selected. Other document formats such as .doc, .png, .jpeg, etc. are not supported at this time. In this example, I will select Choose from Template. Then, I would click the drop-down menu and select the agreement I would like to use here. In this case, Coaching Agreement. Click Next to continue. Be sure to give your document a title. As a quick tip, the document title should be descriptive so that your clients will understand what the document's about. When you're ready to continue, simply click the green Next button here. Now you will select a client. In this case, the client's name and email address will automatically be populated in the existing contact field. Press Next when you're ready to continue. Now you have the opportunity to edit your document by putting placeholder fields for the signature, email, text, and date. For example, with this document, I can easily drag and drop the full coach's name here, and drag over full name and make the field a little smaller. I can easily replicate this process by dragging over date to be inserted in the date field here. To change the type of signer, simply click here and then select Client. In this case, I will drag and drop the full name of the client and insert that field here. Scrolling down further, inserting a placeholder for a coach's signature is easy. Simply select the signer to be the coach and then drag and drop the signature placeholder here. To delete a placeholder field, double-click on the outline of the box and then select the trash can icon here, and your placeholder will be deleted. Once you've edited the document to your liking, simply scroll down and then select Next in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. The final step of sending a contract is to simply preview the contract to make sure it's to your liking. When you're ready to send it, scroll down and then press the green Send button. A pop-up window will appear, ensuring you would like to proceed. Press Proceed to continue. Marvelous! The contract has been successfully sent. You will then be brought to the Contracts tab in CoachVantage, where you will be able to view your list of contracts. Here, you can see the document name, who it was sent to, the status, and when it was last modified. To manage a contract document, simply select the three-dot button menu and you will be presented with 4 options. Here, you can preview a document. This allows you to view the contents of the document without downloading it to your device. A new browser tab will open that displays the document preview. You can also download the file directly to your device. If you select Send Reminder Email, CoachVantage will automatically send a reminder email to your client, reminding them that they have a contract that requires their signature. A pop-up would be triggered asking for confirmation to send a reminder email. Lastly, if you'd like to void a contract after it's been sent, you can simply select Void to negate the contract. Clicking on the Void button would trigger a pop-up window asking for confirmation to void your contract. You can also provide a reason for voiding the contract, which would be included in the email to your client, informing them of the contract being voided. And that completes this video on contracts on an individual contact record page. Thanks for watching. We're wishing you an amazing week ahead. Happy coaching!